Welcome back. Panaji City Corporation is now under the BJP's flag. Vaidehi Naik has been elected as the new mayor of Panaji. Vaidehi defeated Rudresh Chodankar by 15 to 14 votes. Tony Rodriguez has been elected as the deputy mayor. He defeated Bento Lorena by 15 to 14 votes. The Lotus Party panel led by Vaidehi rejected the support offered by Babuchi's panel. Watch this report.
Election for the post of mayor in the City Corporation of Panaji was held on Tuesday. Vaidehi Naik defeated Rudresh Chodankar by 15-14 votes. Tony Rodriguez defeated Bento Lorena and took over as the deputy mayor of Panaji Corporation. BJP panel voted out Babuchi's panel. Vaidehi Naik has assured corruption and garbage-free city.
पणजी जर गार्बेज आणि क्लीन सिटी हे जर आमचे टॉप प्रायोरिटी आसत जाल्यार तो विषय सगळ्यात पयलीं घेवचो पडटलो कित्याक दर दिसपट्ट्या सगळ्या कॉन्सिलरांक लेबर ना आनी कितें ना आनी ताका लागून अनक्लिनलीनेस अनहायजिनीक कंडिशन ही पणजेन सगळ्याक जाल्ली आसा आनी ताका टॉप प्रायोरिटी आसतली आनी तो पयली विषय जाग्यार घालचो पडटलो म्हणून डेव्हलपमेंट इक्वली सगळ्यांक आसतली
नाकासली भगवाना म्हणजे त्या पासून हांव एकलोच कुशीन करलो आमच्या ग्रुपांतलो आनी हे शिवर कसलोच दुबाव ना हितून हे कॉन्सेप्ट इतले क्लीन चलतले इतले ट्रान्सपरंट सारके म्हणजे तुमकां एक म्हाका दिसता 100 मिलियन भितर म्हणटले कॉन्सील आदले कॉन्सील इतले वर्सां कितें आनी आतां कॉन्सील कशें चलतले.
Independent corporator Surendra Furtado says they voted for the development.
Ruth Furtado and I थंयचे पॅनलाक सपोर्ट करूं ना पणजी डेव्हलपमेंट पॅनलाक सपोर्ट केला की पणजी सुदारण जावचें म्हणून कित्याक 7 वर्सां पणजी सामकी घाण जाल्ली आहा.
Rudresh Chodankar will now lead the corporators on opposition benches. Babuch has challenged the defector corporators from his panel to face the Panjikas again and get re-elected.
Deputy mayor was supposed to come to us. The moment they suggested us that deputy would be Tony, we refused the offer. So that is the clearest thing. So and this is what has happened.
So your panel will now play an important role?
We, our panel will play a constructive role of the opposition. Be rest assured. No, now opposition leader will be Rudresh only, and all these people who have a claim, no, they should go back to the people, I believe. Get themselves elected and then come back to show if they really have the power. We will support where development is concerned. But where we have got to oppose on certain issues, we will oppose. That is the role what ours is.
Rudresh is not happy with the appointment of members on various committees.
यतीन मेयर झालो तेन्ना आमी तेंचे प्रपोजल एक्सेप्ट केले की तेंची कमिटीन आमची आसा आनी तेंच्या रिक्वेस्ट आमी घेवन तेंची नांव घातलेली आहा. हांव एकूच एक्सपेक्ट करतालो तेंच्यांनी अशीच आमची मेंबर्स थोडे घालपाचे आसले कमिटी तेजे म्हणून कळटा वॉच उरता कमिटी कितें चलता ते पूण तेंच्यांनी घालूंक ना नांव. इट्स नॉट अ फेअर थिंग.
Since 6 years, Babuch's panel has ruled the Panaji Corporation. For the first time, his panel is in the opposition. Our reporter Devidas Kamli with video journalist Ravinder Dalvi.
In a major development on Tuesday, Congress panel was voted out in 3 municipalities. Sudhir Kandolkar was elected unopposed in Mapsa municipality. Ponda municipality voted out Kishore Naik by 7 to 5 votes. However, Manuel Colasso lost no confidence motion in Kepe municipality.
Sudhir Kandolkar has been elected as the new chairperson of Mapsa municipality. He has been elected unopposed. Earlier, there were 2 persons in the fray for the chairperson's post, but later, Michael Carrasco withdrew his application. Newly elected chairperson Sudhir Kandolkar informed that he would take fish market and vegetable shade work on priority. There are 15 councillors in the municipality.
Garbage treatment plant already जागो आमी घेतलेलो आहा जो फुडे सायंटिफिक मॅनर and garbage treatment plant घालून जेणे करून जे सराउंडिंग लोक आसतले तांकां कसलीच बाधा तेची येवची ना किंवा हेल्थ हाजर्ड जावचे ना हेची केअर घेवन असो सायंटिफिक पद्धतीचो बऱ्यापैकी आमी गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट घालतले.
Manuel Colasso has stepped down from the chairmanship of Kepe municipality. The councillors of Kepe had passed a no-confidence motion against Manuel. The motion was pending with the DMA, which was passed on Tuesday. Kepe municipality has been dominated by the Congress panel from past 10 years. Kepe MLA Babu Kaulekar was present during the passing of no confidence motion.
खऱ्या अर्थान त्यांनी आपूण जाऊन रिजाइन जावन असो जेन्ना पार्टीचो तो रिजाइन जाता त्या टायमाक काँग्रेस पॅनलाचो चेअरपर्सन म्हणून रावल्ले कारणांनी त्याच टायमाक आपूण रिजाइन जावंक जाय आशिल्लें पूण तो रिजाइन जालो ना ताका अशें देंवोवपाची परिस्थिती तेणी हाडली म्हणजे एक जो मनीस लालच आसता ज्या मनशाक खुर्चेचो तो लास्ट पर्यंत सुद्दां खुर्ची कशी सोडना कसो खुर्चेक चिकडून बसता हें तेणी दाखयल्लें आसा.
Accordingly, the motion is passed by 7 versus 0, and Sri Manuel Colasso, as per this motion, is voted out.
Kishore Naik stepped down as the chairperson of the Ponda municipality. He was voted out by 7 votes.
Government change झाला पयलीं काँग्रेस आसला आतां BJP जाला
as per the directions of the director of municipal administration, I was given the powers to act as the presiding officer today, and based on that I have put the motion for voting by show of hands. The motion succeeded by 7-5.
Our reporters Shyam Sundar Fatte, Mayur Naik and Vivek Prabhu.
All the members of Legislative Assembly made obituary references on Tuesday. References were made to former MLAs Jai Singh Rao Rane, Narsinbhai Tandal, legendary cartoonist Mario Miranda, bhajani artist Nana Shirgaonkar, poet Narendra Bodke, and victims of Kalvi Aldana bus tragedy and bus mishap at Usgaon. CM Manohar Parrikar has assured that the contribution by the eminent personalities will be counted.
Jai Singh Rao Rane हे मोगो पक्षाचे पहिले आमदार आशिल्ले. त्यांनी मोगो पक्षा खातीर आनी गोवा स्टेटी खातीर भरपूर काम केलें. मोगो पक्षाक त्यांचे वचण्यान भरपूर दुख्ख जाल्लें आसा.
मारियो मिरांडाक गोंयांत न्हय पण आख्या संवसाराक वळखतात. जे बूक काडलेले आसा ते कार्टुनिस्ट, लेजंडरी कार्टुनिस्ट आख्या संवसाराक दवरलेले आहात. बेंटेनी गोन्साल्वीस हे म्हजे जी एक फामील आसा ती म्हजी बरी क्लोज फामील, म्हजी नेबर, एक बरे कांतोरीस आशिल्ले, बरे कंपोजर आशिल्ले. आनी म्हाका दिसता हे आमचे गोंयां आयज जायते जाण चिंतले एक नांव दवरलेले मनीस आयज आमचे फुडें ना.
Tragic and untimely death of 4 school children who met their watery grave on the 18th of February 2012. Speaker sir, this incident brings to the fore the fact that we are not equipped and prepared for disaster management.
We have to, while condoling the death of these young innocent children, there are some lessons to be learned. There is something we have to pick up. And are we doing those things? It is for the government of the day to readdress that.
I think we need to introspect into the licenses given to these people, checking the buses.
नाना शिरगावकर यांच्याबद्दल मी काय सांगू. गोमंतकाच्या भजनी परंपरेचा एक उत्कृष्ट असा मानबिंदू म्हणजे मनोहर बुवा शिरगावकर. मराठीतले ज्येष्ठ कवी नरेंद्र बोडके. खऱ्या अर्थाने आधुनिक युगामध्ये बाबा बोरकर यांच्यानंतर गोमंतकीय कविता वरच्या स्तरावर, राष्ट्रीय स्तरावर जर कोणी पोहोचवली असेल तर ती नरेंद्र बोडके यांनी पोहोचवली.
कालवी हल्दोना असत किंवा उसगावची ट्रॅजेडी असत, उसगावच्या ट्रॅजेडीक जे कारणान तो मृत्यू जाला किंवा सिरियस जाल्या तांकां मदत जी आसा ती ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटाक आमी इंस्ट्रक्शन दिला की तांची इमिजिएटली वचची. मायनींग बायपासीस किंवा तुवें जो सजेस्ट केला लोकांक बायपास, ताणें त्या पेक्षा आनीक बरो उपाय सजेस्ट केला. ताणें दुसरो बायपास जाला तो लोकांक रेगुलर वापरपाक रस्तो वेगळो काडलो. ताजे आसा उपलब्ध. थोडे कडेन मायनींग बायपास करचे पडटले, थोडे सदच्या ट्रॅफिका खातीर बायपास करतले. दोनूय कडेन आमी म्हत्व दितले.
Our reporter from Assembly Lokik Shilkar, Devendra Gaokar with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.